Today's market is a bit tough, and to be honest with you guys, it's really confusing right now. The market is just ranging over and over, and it seems like it's not gonna be easy to predict the market, but however, I will still do the best I can. Welcome on this midweek analysis video. This is Stella speaking, and we're here now to review the signals which I have sent to you last Saturday. So first of all, for the Euro USD. Euro USD, as we can see, my friends, on the 4-hour time frame has indeed been reversing, and as you can see right here, the ranging here is just disgusting. I just hate this kind of market. Once I see the market making all these faulty price action, I can say, or just fake price action, is just really annoying. I mean, this price action here indicates for a bullish reversal. The market indeed went up, but again went down. So I was about to cancel this signal, but then I noticed here before we are having this price action, which also indicates for a bearish reversal. Then we're having here a fake breakout. Then we're having here another fake breakout. So it's just confusing. I mean, I really don't like this kind of market. I just really hate it. So therefore, what we can see right now is this bullish candle has appeared, as we can see right here, this bullish candle, and then it has been followed later with that candle right here, which I personally trust a lot as a sign for a bearish reversal. So the Euro USD signal, it seems like it's going to be a good signal. It's going to work very well. We can see that the market has actually indeed exceeded the safe zone. But again, what I'm telling you always, guys, is don't ever close this signal and loss unless the candle has actually closed above the safe zone. That's one of the problems. Actually, I should make a video about that. Never ever close the trading loss unless you see the candle actually closed above the safe zone. And actually we are relying mainly on the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame for that. So therefore I will consider that the Euro USD signal is still running. It was just inside of the safe zone, and however it's currently running in just about 3 pips of profit. Yay! So anyway, Euro USD is still gonna reverse in my opinion, but let me just go to the 30-minute time frame. And let me just tell you something right now. We are actually facing here a support level exactly right there at 1.06039. I'm expecting from the Euro USD to rise again a little bit more till 1.06214, and from that point I think we can start shorting the Euro USD again safely, hopefully this time, because we had here several attempts to break out from that resistance zone at 1.06415, and every single time the market has actually failed to break out from it. Now finally we can see that the market actually making a bearish movement below the resistance right here at 1.06214, and if we check the chart we can see that it was a real level of a resistance, another real level of a resistance, then we had here a fake breakout and another major fake breakouts right here and almost everywhere. Therefore, I believe 1.06214 is going to be a trustworthy level to start shorting again. Therefore, let me just tell you that we can short again at 1.06214 and just keep the same safe zone, of course, and the same take profit level. In my opinion, selling at 1.0614 is actually going to be best idea. That's everything for the Euro USD. Let's now move to the Pound USD. Alright, so same goes to the Pound USD. The signal has actually been ranging inside of the safe zone. It actually exceeded it a little bit, but again, the signal or the candles did not close above the safe zone. Again, guys, please be careful and wise, and please understand my signal system. I'm telling you always to close the trading loss only if the signal has closed above the safe zone. However, Pound USD signal is still working fine and currently running in about 47 pips of profit. But what's next with this pair? In my opinion, right now we're also facing here a support level. Eventually, the Pound USD is going to actually be able to break out from that level, in my opinion, since we can see that the bearish movement is much stronger. Right now, we're having here this resistance trend line, which is actually being respected. However, we cannot also ignore the pressure from that support, which means we can actually expect from the Pound USD to make another bullish reversal and might actually rise a little bit more up. But the question is where exactly we can start shorting the pair again for the best results. Moving now to the 30-minute time frame to answer that question. Now on the 30-minute time frame, we can see clearly that we are having here also Let me just be sure. You know something? Let's move even to the 15-minute time frame. We just need to see, guys, the levels of resistance and supports in details. So again, what we can notice right here, 1.21561 is actually a very strong level, and if I'm not mistaken, this is Fibonacci 61.8 if I'm not mistaken. By the way, trust me, I swear I did not check this before recording. From my experience, I can tell this is 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. Check this out. Very accurate, thankfully. So it was indeed 61.8 retracement. We can see clearly it was here a very strong support level. It became a real level of a resistance, then a major false breakout, not only once, but two and three times. Indicates that the market, if it was able to reach 1.21561, most likely it's going to be actually best level to start shorting the pound USD again. Therefore, we will keep the same signal to short the pound USD, but I will tell you that we can sell again at 1.21561. Now, of course, we will keep the same safe zone and the take profit level. Let's now move to the AUD USD. Also, AUD USD is running very well. I think the market has reversed exactly at the edge of the safe zone, which is really fine. No one can argue about this signal that it is still working perfectly well. And by the way, this was really one perfect entry. And to be honest with you, I personally have traded this signal today, and I have thankfully been able to recover some of the losses I have made. Of course, it was a really good signal. We cannot, of course, ignore the strength of the level of the resistance right here, especially after being followed later with that bearish candle. However, right now, the AUD USD is still falling, and I believe it's going to continue the fall. But the question is where exactly we can start shorting the AUD USD again. Now, if we notice right here, my friends, we're having here a very strong key level of a support as 0.66719. This was a real level of a support, real level, real level, real level. Then we had here in the middle a fake breakout. Keep in mind that the same level of a previous key support level was also right here a resistance, which indicates that the AUD USD is most likely going to be safe to be shorted again exactly on that level. Therefore, we can actually sell again at 0.719, and of course keep the same safe zone and the take profit level. And the good thing about this signal is we already have here a fake breakout. I mean, the market has already fallen down here, so we thought it's a breakout, and then again the market went up again, created here a fake breakout, and then again the market went down below that level. So it was just, I mean, this is what I'm talking about. When I say ugly market, that's exactly what I'm talking about. This ugly, ugly, ugly. However, I doubt if there's going to be a fourth candle doing the same thing. Most likely, the last candle is going to be actually respecting the price, especially if we move now to the 15-minute time frame, and we can see clearly right here, my friends. Just to be precise, exactly right here, we are having here also a strong real level of a resistance, which has been broken out immediately without actually, the market actually was not able to create any single support attempt right here. Therefore, let me just adjust the signal to sell again. Now, after seeing it on the 15-minute time frame, it's different. I need to be very accurate right here. Therefore, I'm telling you guys that this is going to be actually a best level to start shorting the AUD USD again, and hopefully it's going to be a good signal. Now moving to the USD CAD. Alright, the USD CAD is still ranging inside of the safe zone. It did not exceed it yet, but again, it's still ranging inside of the safe zone and still not in profit. However, if we move now to the 1 hour time frame, we can see clearly that we're having here a very strong key support level. Let me just be sure. Just be sure. Yes, right here. Let me just tell you exactly. Let me just tell you why here. First of all, a fake breakout, which was previously a strong real level of a resistance, and again it was a real level of a support. Then again, pay attention, guys. After this fake breakout happened right here, we are having here two candles. These two candles actually represent support number 1. This is a reversal. Now, We can actually buy the USD CAD again once the market falls all the way to respect that level of a support at 1.36222. I think it's going to be actually a better level to start again buying the USD CAD. Therefore, the USD CAD is to buy again at 1.36322. Let's now move, of course, to the USD JPY, which has worked perfectly well, and everything is going fine with the USD JPY. Of course, I cannot deny this was happened, supported by the news, happened this morning. But still, it just speeds things up, and the USD JPY has hit the take profit level, making 221 pips of profits. And I really want to know if you guys have made any profits with this signal. Thankfully, I'm seeing very nice comments saying that they have actually made some profits with the signals. I hope they meant the USD JPY. So let me just tell you what's the problem here. The problem here, guys, is some of you guys have actually made profits with my signal, and you are in almost 10 minutes in this video, and you are yet to hit the like button. Guys, what's going on? Hit the like button, please. I was disappointed, actually. The last weekly analysis video has gotten only 130 likes. Meanwhile, the previous weekly analysis video got 310 likes, the highest that I ever had. I mean, guys, do you see how pathetic I am? I'm not asking you for thousands of likes. I'm just asking for 200, 300 likes. It's really enough for me. Anyway, I'm just joking with you guys, of course. However, I really appreciate if you guys even take 1 minute to watch my videos and giving me your valuable time just to listen to my voice. So anyway, what's next with the USD JPY? Of course, we have to get rid of the old signal. It has already finished. Now let's see what we can do next with this pair. Moving to the daily chart. Now on the daily chart, we're having here a very strong key support level. Now, some of you might assume that the USD JPY might actually make a bullish reversal upon the pressure from that support. Well, in my opinion, that's not gonna be the case. Because we're having here a support trend line, as we can see, and the market has just made the bearish breakout from that support trend line, which means, in my opinion, and from my experience in Forex, that most likely the market is actually gonna break out from that level of a strong key support level, and it's eventually gonna continue the fall till it reaches the support right here at 126.740. To confirm this, we need to move to the weekly chart. Now on the weekly chart, my friends, we can see clearly that this movement right here, the bearish movement, is very strong. The USD JPY has actually just made the historical breakout from that very long-term support at 134.402. So after this major breakout happened from that support, I really doubt if the pair is going to be able to reverse upon the pressure from that support. Most likely it's going to fail, and it's going to actually continue the fall. That means we need to consider shorting the USD JPY, but the question is where exactly we can start shorting the pair. The answer lies actually on the nearest strong key resistance level to the current price. Now, in my opinion, this right here is going to be the best level to start again selling the USD JPY. We have to wait for the pair to rise again for another 144 pips before we can start shorting it. I know it's a lot, I know it's not realistic, but guys, keep in mind the USD JPY has actually fallen in one single day for about 540 pips, which means rise again for about 157 pips is really not going to be a big issue for the USD JPY. If we scroll now to the left side, we can see that this was a very clear strong key level of a resistance, and pay attention, my friends, it was also a real level of a resistance here, a real level of a resistance right here. However, it was of course a fake. Oh my god, these messages, oh my god, what happened? Oh, whoa, 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 shut up, shut up, shut up! What happened? What happened? I received millions of messages at the same time. Whoa. Sorry guys, this was not meant to you. I'm just screaming at my iPhone to be quiet. Sorry about that. Anyway, what I was saying, that we are having here also a real level of a resistance, real level, and then we had here a fake breakout, and then we had here also another fake breakout. And if we scroll more to the left side, we can see it was also a very strong key support level. I don't think there was a resistance at this point here. Nope, it wasn't. Anyway, going back to the current time, I believe we can start shorting the pair at 133.816. Actually, to be more accurate, I want to make it exactly right here, because this wick right here represents the first attempt of a resistance. Therefore, we will be shorting the USDJPY exactly at the second attempt of the resistance. However, if we do that, the safe zone should be ranging till the nearest strong key support level right here, which means it's going to be ranging for about, let me just increase it a little bit more, to make it about 103 pips of the safe zone. However, for the take profit level, it's gonna be placed, guys, of course, at this nearest strong key support level right here at 130.443, which means we're actually aiming to make approximately 330 pips profit from the signal against 105 pips for the safe zone. That's everything for the USDJPY. Moving now to the USDCHF, which actually I can say officially has failed. Why? Because the candle has already closed below the safe zone. And I respect my word. I will consider that the USDCHF signal has unfortunately failed. So therefore, let me now see what we can do next with this pair. And again, guys, keep in mind that the Christmas is approaching and the holidays are coming. Therefore, the market is not so much active as it was before. Usually at this time of the year, the market is getting low in liquidity, and actually it's going to be ranging a lot, and most likely it's going to be loaded with the news. Therefore, we have to be careful and very wise when we are opening any trades. Anyway, now moving to the daily chart, we need to confirm how indeed the USDCHF is going to be moving. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this key support level right here cannot be ignored. This key support level right here at 0.92595, it was actually a strong key level of a resistance, which has finally been respected again by this pair. Now, moving to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that this was indeed a best level to start buying this pair rather than this level of a support. I think it was my own mistake. My apologies, guys. Maybe I have misread the market. Actually, if I check the daily chart, this was indeed a much better level to start buying the USDCHF. Now, moving to the current time again. Right now, what we are having right here is very interesting. Right here on the 1-hour time frame, oh boy, this is really good. I mean, I think I will enter this personally. 0.92762 is going to be actually a good level to start buying the pair. We have to wait for the market to fall for about 15 pips before we can start buying it. Pay attention. We are having here, of course, a real level of a support, and it has been followed later with this fake breakout. Now, after this bullish breakout candle happened, usually, and upon to my strategy, we are actually, according to my strategy, of course, we are actually buying the market at the nearest support to that bullish breakout candle, which lies exactly right here. Another way to confirm this is, of course, by using the support trend lines, and check this out. The market indeed respecting that support trend line, as you can see right here. Then we had here the fake breakout from the support trend line. Therefore, I believe passively that USDCHF is going to be good to be bought exactly at that level of a previous support. And then, of course, the take profit level, let me just move to the 4-hour time frame. Yes, the take profit level has to be placed exactly right here at that resistance as 0.93738, and the safe zone that shouldn't be ranging lower than this level of a support right here as 0.92445, which means the safe zone is ranging for 32 pips against 97 pips of profit. Moving now to the gold. Okay, the gold unfortunately is not going well. Currently it has been triggered, but to be honest with you guys, I really doubt if the gold is gonna start any bearish movement at the moment. In my opinion, the gold actually is going to continue the rise. I need to delete the old signal. I have to cancel it. Now, actually, what we are having right here for the gold, I mean, this current price action, this bullish candle, has actually changed everything. I don't support shorting the gold anymore, especially that we're having here a support trend line, and seems like the pair is indeed respecting that level of a support trend line. It became a resistance trend line only for once, but however, the market has indeed failed to create a second attempt of a resistance trend line, and as you can see, the market has respected that level of a support trend line, which means if we go now to the daily chart, now, to be honest with you guys, I really don't think that my previous analysis is gonna work. I believe the gold is gonna be good to be bought, but however, we have of course to wait for the right moment to start buying the gold. Please hold on your positions and don't rush to buy it. Moving now to the left side, we just need to confirm the strongest key support levels. And if I'm not mistaken, that key support level exactly right here at 1798.94 is indeed a very strong level to start buying the gold. As you can see, if we check the history, it has always been a very strong key support level. It had several fake breakouts, but eventually it was a good level to start buying the gold almost all the time. Of course, not to mention that, oh my god, check this out, guys. This is really, it was on the same level of the first reversal happened. Now, let me just tell you something. We are right now on the 4-hour time frame candle, and this candle still has 22 minutes for the closure. If the candle is gonna close like this, I believe that the following candle is gonna be a red candle, and the market will actually continue the fall. If that happens, then buying right here exactly, right there, 1796.10 is gonna be actually better for one reason, because we're having here the nearest strong support level to that bullish breakout candle, not to mention that we're having here also a resistance level, and this wick right here is the nearest one to that bullish breakout candle. Another way to confirm this, if we scroll to the left side to check the history, to find the support, 1796.10. It actually might be even better than the one we have already selected. So I'm just scrolling to the left, and as we can see, it was indeed here, as we can see, a strong key support level. It was also a very strong key resistance level, as we can see. Check this out. So, oh my god, check this out as well. So indeed, if the next candle is gonna be bearish one, then I really suggest to start buying the gold exactly at that support right here, which is the nearest one to the resistance, and keep the trade running till the market hit the resistance level right here at 1820. So therefore, the take profit level is going to be placed just right there, which means we're actually expecting to make 260 pips profit from the signal. Meanwhile, the safe zone is going to be ranging till the lowest level of a support at 1783.90 for about 122 pips. And there goes the signal, my friends, for the USD and the gold for this week. Again, please be careful, my friends. This week is loaded with the news, I think. Or not. No, I think it's not. But however, we always have to be careful about how we are opening our trades, and always remember that the signals might fail. I mean, really, I felt actually bad when I saw the Euro USD and the Pound USD going against the direction I have predicted, especially for the USD CHF. But again, eventually, and oh, check this out. The Euro USD is also already reaching the sell level. Okay, no need for any speech. I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.